Hello my beautiful people, welcome to MercyBeauty of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video guys, I'm going to decorate my dining area white and gold. Here in Florida guys, we don't participate in snow. However, I still love to decorate and bring you guys ideas. As we guys approaching to Valentine's, and I think it's a good idea for me to just add some winter and some Valentine decor together. Guys, I want the white and gold effect in my centerpiece. That's why I'm using those two table warmers and to just bring it, to make it look beautiful. Because everything I'm going to use on the top of the table is going to be white and gold. And guys, this is a video collaboration. As you can see, this company sent me this light, super gorgeous. And you know, it's gonna be summer very soon. I just want to be prepared, the backyard for the kids to have fun in the back while they playing at night. As you can see guys, inside the box they have a manual instruction that can show you how to install it. Once you receive the package, that's the way the light gonna look like. Super nice, super modern. I like the inside, the gold effect from the inside. It's super nice, super modern. Love it. As you can see, the back super nice, and the front, the gold inside of it, very modern. It comes with everything that you may need to install it, and the installation is very easy also. And guys, it has the option to install an app, so you can just change the color manually. That's the light that I have outside right now. So this is the way the light is when you install it. If you outside, you don't have your phone, you can change it manually, as you can see. And guys, if you from the inside, you can download the app on the phone and you can change your color, turn it on as you please. As you can see, very convenient, very modern, very nice. As you can see the color, I really love it. And guys, I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below. Make sure to check it out if you want something like that. Okay guys, let's go back to the video and keep on watching.
You're gone now, will you coming back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination.
I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you'll be the first person to know. In my channel, I do pretty much everything. I do my hair, my nails, home decor, DIY, clean with me, product review. If you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you. I love you all guys, and keep on watching. Everything that I'm going to use in the video guys, I'm going to leave them in the description box down below for you to check it out. If you want to recreate the look, or if anything that you like, make sure to check the description box like that. If you buy to my link, you help out the channel and you get some great discount code without no extra cost to you guys. Okay guys, Sure to check the links and watch the video till the end, like that you will see how the dining area turns out.
Places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you want.
Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci. Je vous en prie, guys, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. À tous mes abonnés, un grand merci pour votre support, mes amours. Je vous aime. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur la chaîne moi. C'est la première fois, moi souhaite bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît, guys, pas oublier abonner et puis partager la vidéo avec famille aux amis. Si c'est la première fois, tout, moi dis merci en pile pour support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder les vidéos. Moi, maintenant. Okay guys, that was all for today, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!